Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. Welcome back to the shop. Today I want to talk to you about boring bars. And actually most of the stuff I'm going to show you today, aside from the tool holders themselves, is homemade, which is why I'm doing this video. This is a 1-inch diameter piece of stock with a 3/8 diameter hole drilled through it at a 45-degree angle, a flat and a set screw, and boom, you've got yourself a boring bar. 1 inch. Operative word here, 1 inch. You can also hold a 1-inch tool holder. You can also hold a 1-inch tool in an adapter block that looks like this. Now this is something that I've used in the past. I just recently showed it on picking up the internal thread, and that was this bar right here. Let's move this one over so you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a 1-inch diameter bore in this bar, in this block, as you can see from the back. And when I set this up, if I'm using a form tool or an insert that I need to depend on the profile of the insert, I know that the 1-inch diameter bore in this block is true to this outside surface, so I just indicate that outside surface as I'm locking down the holder. Now the benefit to having a 1-inch hole in the holder, many benefits, namely adapter sleeves. I have 3 different size adapter sleeves for this block, and I use 3/4, 5/8, and a half. And I'm going to work in a plug here. This is my 1/2-inch holder that I use exclusively, and I leave this one set up because I got this bar right there. Solid Rock Machine Shop. If you have not checked these guys out or looked at their product line, go check them out, because I beat the life out of this bar and it just keeps coming back for more. So great handout. Thank you very much to them for that. By using collars like this, or even split sleeves like this for the big block, for the 1 inch, you can size the 1 inch down to 3/4 if you want. If you got something real heavy you need to sneak in there, split sleeves will always work well. You want to get down into holding smaller diameter bars, simple piece of hex stock, drilled and reamed, 3/8. This one's a half. So if you have a 1/2-inch nominal size bar or 3/8 nominal size bars, they'll fit in these. And we can get even smaller. Start getting into solid carbide bars and adapters. This is a 218 diameter. This is a 218-2 adapter, 3/8. And there you go. And if you actually wanted to, if you really wanted to, you could put the 3/8 in the 1/2-inch adapter, put the 1/2-inch adapter in the 1/2-inch sleeve, put the whole thing in your 1-inch adapter block, and there you go. You can step down. You don't have to go out and reduce your checking account while expanding your capabilities. How's that for a term? And if you want to see how small these solid carbide bars can get, you could stick yourself in the finger with that one and not even know it. Actually, this isn't the one. Check this out. Can you see that? That is actually a boring bar right there. That is for 0.25 holes. I think that's the smallest hole you can do with that. I don't know if I can even get that in focus. Nah, that's crazy small. Now that's the one you could actually stick yourself in a finger with and not even know it's there. You can see it against the shadow of my non-tanned finger there. That is actually a boring bar. If you were to blow that up under magnification, it's helical ground, it's got relief and everything. It's an amazing piece of work right there. Anyway, somebody had commented on the adapter block and the collars and the sleeves, and I figured I would just throw a quick video out there and show you. There's no need to go buy a whole bunch of expensive stuff to hold bars. If you can't hold it, figure out how to hold it, and you can take a BXA2 holder and actually hold a 1-inch diameter boring bar in it. Not a problem. These are things you can easily make in your own shop. I've had these for a great number of years, as you can tell by the teeth marks on these things. I guess that's the only good way to say it, teeth marks. We got a bunch of these 3/8 holders. We got a bunch of adapters. We got a bunch of split sleeves. And we got a bunch of capability. So there you go. Don't let the size of the bar get in your way. Make yourself one of these blocks. You're going to be really glad you did. I have used these things for gotta be going on 40 years now, and I've just never even given it a second thought. Can't imagine not having one in the box. Got a couple of hours laying around, got nothing to do, knock a couple of these out. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching.